Your next car could be the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.